Nasdaq 100 has shown a very good pullback this week, and this we had discussed in our last week's review. Last Saturday we had discussed that the pullback is a burst in Nasdaq 100. Precisely that has happened from 15,800 levels. It has dropped till towards 15,250. Now what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with the bearish momentum, or we can still expect it to continue in this bullish channel and bounce back from here? Which position you should take trading Tech 100 next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till. Those who are new, let me share that I share twice a day updates and analysis on major global markets and commodities, including Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, first with the Europe and Asia session and next with the US session. So these two updates daily with the targets and levels will definitely aid you in your day trading decisions, and hence press the bell icon so that you can remain updated. Also, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. That's a great motivation. With that, let's start. Now, first, let's have a look at the chart. See, on the weekly charts, you can clearly see the bulls are not willing to keep the prices higher. We have seen a good pullback. However, one observation here is higher lows which are consistently observed. Now, next week is going to be critical and important because that will set the direction for the coming few weeks. Because see, this is going to be a bearish turnout. It is going to break this bullish flag here, and hence a breakout is always important. It sets the direction for the coming few weeks. Now if you look at the momentum here, the momentum is sharply bearish. That is first point. Now second point is it has come very close to the support level. The next support level is at 15,200, which is a very good. Hence, any point of time, if you see Tech 100 trading below 15,200 next week, just stay short. We are going to look forward to a further, which will take the prices till towards 14,900 or 14,800 zone. This is the next support zone which I will be looking at. Yes, it could drop till towards those levels. This is almost for 500 points from here. Possibly, yes, we can look forward to those levels if it stays below 15,200. Now, even if you can say that the bearishness get diminished, look at the candle size here. This is also almost 500, and this is the first red candle. So first red candle, the follow-up candle could, if the bearishness gets diminished from here, the candle size could be more or less the same or lesser than this, possibly. So which suggests that at least 14,800 900 zone should be respected. If it is increasing bearishness and market is looking forward to a crash, we can in fact expect 14,600 levels, which is the next and a very good support level for Tech 100. Now one point to remember, see, this drop is coming after a long rally. You can see this was the triple bottom levels at around 10,800 600 levels, then a strong rally retracement, now support at around 12,000. Here also it is created a bottom, then the next support was created at 13,000. With that as support, now you can see this was the stronger rally which we have seen in last few weeks. You can also note that Tech 100 so far since the bottom has been trading in this bullish channel, and see an extremely good rally seen. Now it is looking forward to a little retrace. Now see, I have eliminated these highs and these lows. I am not considering this wave into consideration. And if you take the rally from here, and if you connect the top and the bottom here, you will find 14,700 levels is indeed a great support. That is the first Fibonacci retracement support levels at 23.6%. So this is the first milestone which Tech 100 might achieve. This we have discussed in our one of our daily analysis as well. And then I will be looking forward to 3920 or 14,000 levels. Yes, these are achievable levels. So this is one part of it. Let me delete the Fibonacci levels as of now. Now coming to the charts, let me show you something. See, bottom rise, retracement, rise, consolidation, then this sharp rise. So again, if you look at, there was also one more consolidation phase here before looking forward to this. Now it is still trying to trade in this. Specifically, I will look forward to 14,700 levels, which are definitely 14,700 and 600 are two very important support levels which are achievable and which are definitely going to provide a very good support. So that is first part to it. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, a flat top was seen in the beginning of the week itself, and with that flat top, we have seen consistent red candle, and all the 5 days traded bearish. So the entire week, Tech 100 was trading bearish. Now, most important part is the last couple of candles here. See, the lows on the previous week, you can say the last candle failed to breach below the lows of the preceding candle, and in fact it has achieved higher height. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish here. Second is it has come very close to the first support level at 15200. See, 15440 was the first one, now 15200 is the next one. And also if you look at this complete zone between 15200 and 15100 is a very good support zone for Nasdaq 100, and hence I will be watchful of this. Now see, falling short of the previous lows suggests that the price is not willing to stay bearish, and hence I will be watchful of any drop below 15200 will definitely bring more bears for Tech 100. Else the possibility of it to retrace again on the upside exists. And if you look at the formation, right now it is forming a bullish flag. You can see this, it is forming a bullish flag. It is not yet in the bearish trend. Remember, it will be only in the bearish trend if and only if it stays below 14800 900 zone, and specifically 14700 is the ultimate level below which we can expect that it is trying to enter into bearish. Else it is very clear that it is forming a bullish flag as of now. And if you look at the formation, see, drop, retracement, drop, possible retracement here. Now this could try to retrace till towards 700 levels, that is the top 15600 700 levels, that is the top of this channel. Even if it continues a retracement from here, and only a breakout is if it stays above 15800, that should be treated as a breakout, and then we can see Tech 100 flying high. Else till 15800 its chances of a drop will remain very high. Till 15700 every rise is an opportunity to, hence be watchful here. Now we have seen the daily charts. Now coming to the monthly candle. On the monthly chart, see, you can just ignore this candle. If you ignore this candle, you can see this is straight bullish candles here, and with every candle the bullishness is getting diminished here. Now after diminishing so far, this candle has started flat and has continued its downward journey. Now what it may try to do is form a symmetry here. Now symmetry is what it can exactly replicate what we have seen in the previous candle, which means the body size could be almost of the same size, that is the closing at around 15200 levels, and the tail is can be also equally same, which is almost 14900 14800 as the bottom. Hence you should be watchful of this. Possibly 14800 levels are going to be very strong support for the complete month of August. What we can expect, lower highs, lower lows. So it can try to drop till towards this zone at 14900 800 and then close the month at around 15200 levels. So there is a very strong possibility for it to remain in this zone. Now also on the monthly charts, you can also note that after this rise, this was the flag formation, and then this breakout has happened. Now it is willing to retrace a little. Remember, it is still bullish. It has formed a good base here. It is trying to just retrace, and if you look at the monthly chart, it is trading in this bullish channel, and the bottom of this channel is also somewhere here at around 14800 900, which makes this zone a very important support levels. And in fact, if it draws below 14800 levels, you can always refer to Fibonacci levels 14700 and then 14600. So one thing is very clear, till 14600 levels Tech 100 has got extremely good support. What it could try to do, it could try to draw for 14800 900 this month, close the month at around 15200, then again next month from 15200 it will continue its journey till towards 14700 600, and likewise two bearish candles will be done and a little retracement is also done, and then possibly a bounce back is seen. So this is how you can expect it to continue here. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. On the monthly charts, moving average is diverging bullish. The prices are divergent from the moving average. It is trying to converge right now. 20 period moving average is almost sitting at around 13,500 levels. Stochastic on the monthly charts is overbought, and hence couple of red candles are must from here. The MACD, on the other hand, MACD is divergent bullish. It is crossed over, and this crossover has happened almost after, you can say, first time after the financial crisis here, because see, at these levels Tech 100 was never seen on MACD at a monthly chart, and hence this crossover is important, and this is coming after a sharp bearish rally drop here. Yes, it is traded with divergence, possibly couple of candles of convergence, which means couple of red candles or more than two or three red candles here, then possibly it will continue with the up move. Hence a little retracement is must in the next couple of months. RSI very near to top. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly chart, see, the moving average is crossed over here. The prices are trading with divergence. Now see so much of divergence from the 20 period moving average, and whenever you see prices diverging from the moving average, always you can rely upon one fact that somehow or the other the prices will always try to converge still towards the moving average. If you look at the 20 weeks average, it is right now situated at around 14400 levels. So with time it will try to move up and the prices will come down. So 14600, 700 again will become a very important support zone, and below that the next support is far below. And if you look at the stochastic, this has dropped here on the weekly chart. It was running overbought for multiple weeks now. The MACD is also willing to converge crossover for sell. This is very important because see, a massive strong bull run is seen here. It has almost surpassed the previous highs, and hence it will equally call for a further sharper drop from here. The possibility exists that it can try to continue with the bearish momentum for a near term. The RSI is extremely overbought, and that is why we can see also it is coming out of the overbought zone. Whenever it has hit overbought levels, always it has tried to show a pullback. Coming to the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, one very important point is it is almost closed the candle at almost at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence the next candle has to trade outside Bollinger Bands for a few sessions such that we can expand the width of the Bollinger Bands here. Also, the 50 period moving average right now is at around 15,900 for 15,100 levels, and 14,500 levels is the 100 period moving average. So see, moving averages have also started to converge. Possibly I will look forward to this zone at 15,200. Definitely 15,200, 100 will provide a very good support here. Now look at the moving averages. These are trading with extreme divergence, and if you look at the complete movement, the crossover, the bullish crossover has happened few months back, and since then it is just trading bullish. So possibility for it to converge, crossover exists very high, and hence for next few weeks you have to be watchful with the buy entries there. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is divergent, bearish looking down, RSI is also looking. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably next week. And before I provide you the levels, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch, and my 24th mentorship batch is going to start on 7th of August. Limited seats are still available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. With that, first let's talk about the levels to buy. See, till 15,500 it has got very good resistance here. I will recommend you to buy here at 15,320. See, these are very nearby levels here, but I cannot avoid it. I am just trying to make the most out of this move. Even if it tries to retrace, you can buy, you can at least book these profits, and as and when it goes far away, definitely this is going, the range is going to expand. 15,320, 360, 15,425. Now this is very important, 15,425. Beyond that we are going to look at 15,500. Now see, this is the most important level here, these two. Only and only if you see Tech 100 trading above 15,500, we can expect that there could be little more bullishness, and then we can look forward to 15,600. Now only and only if Tech 100 stays above 15,600, you can expect that it has reversed and it is going to fly high. It may try to give the bullish breakout and break this flag pattern on the upside, and hence till 15,600 you have to be careful. This is the next strongest resistance zone. Beyond 15,600, yes, though sky is the limit, but I will look forward to 15,720, 15,800. And this is what is going to, I am still bearish. I will expect it to drop further. A retracement on the upside is must, and possibly 15,400, 500 levels can be expected. However, it is again going to drop, and hence sell the rise is the call. But at what safer levels you can sell here? A sell entry can be taken at 15,180, or rather you can sell a little earlier. I will recommend you to sell at 15,240. Expect 15,180, and if it stays below 15,180, 15,100, very good support here. and below 15100 just stay short. We are going to look at 14920, 14840, and then 14700. Now 14700, 14600 are two very important support levels. Now for next week, what I expect for Nasdaq 100 to do is a rise till towards 15400, 500, maybe first two sessions, and then continue with the drop towards the end of the week, or maybe from second session onwards itself, where it will try to look at 14800, 900 as the first target, and then 14700, 600. At least 14800, 900 should get achieved. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss till 15500. At least one can expect a very good reversal, and hence sell the rise till 15500. And on the downside, 14800, 900 is a very good support. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.